Organizations face a serious challenge when they want to innovate faster and at the same time maintain control over cost, compliance, and security. Innovation requires a lot of effort which goes through trials and errors. During this process, it is hard to minimize cost, meet compliances, and assure security. As a result, organizations generally choose between innovating faster and maintaining control over cost, compliance, and security. AWS offers a set of services under management and governance. With AWS Management and Governance services, customers don't have to choose between innovation and control. They can have both. With AWS, customers can enable, provision, and operate their environment for both business agility and governance control. These services are built to manage highly dynamic cloud resources at massive scale. AWS reduces complexity by offering a single control plane for customers to manage and govern their resources on AWS and on premises. AWS also offers the broadest partner ecosystem for customers to extend and augment their management and governance system. Customers can also use AWS Management and Governance services to assess their resource utilization and identify ways to reduce costs. The following services are offered by AWS for management and governance within AWS: AWS Auto Scaling, AWS Cloud Formation, AWS Cloud Trail, Amazon Cloud WAS, AWS Compute Optimizer, AWS Console Mobile Application, AWS Control Tower, AWS Config, AWS Health Dashboard, AWS Launch Wizard, AWS License Manager, AWS Managed Grafana, AWS Organizations, AWS OpsWorks, AWS Proton, Service Catalog, AWS Systems Manager, AWS Trusted Advisor, AWS Well-Architected Tool, Amazon Managed Service for Prometheus, and Amazon Q Developer in chat applications. AWS Management and Governance services enable builders for speed with built-in governance control. You can set up and govern a new, secure multi-account AWS environment, establish central governance and management across AWS accounts, review your architecture and adopt best practices, set custom budgets that alert you when you exceed your budgeted thresholds, set rules to manage, discover, and software license uses, and many more management operations.